Eyewitness News is your local election headquarters, looking ahead to tonight's second round of Democratic presidential debates. 20 candidates are set to face off over 2 nights on stage in Detroit. Eyewitness News politics editor Ted Nesi has been tracking the 2020 campaign, and he joins us now for a preview. Ted, first off, we're going to see different matchups than we saw in the first debate.
Yes, so CNN is hosting tonight's debate. They actually did a live drawing, kind of like when we do the lottery here on Channel 12, to see which candidate appears which night. So here's the lineup for tonight. The biggest names, Bernie Sanders and Elizabeth Warren, both fairly high in the polls. They'll be sharing the stage for the first time. Also well known are Pete Buttigieg and Beto O'Rourke. The other 6 tonight will be Amy Klobuchar, Marianne Williamson, John Delaney, John Hickenlooper, Tim Ryan, and Steve Bullock.
Now, with so many candidates on, we even saw that in the last election on the Republican side. Are we going to be watching for certain people?
Yeah, I think undoubtedly, the prize fight here is Warren versus Sanders. They're both among the leaders in the polls. They're both aiming for many of the same voters, strong progressive voters. And it'll be interesting to see how they try to differentiate from each other for those voters to make their case. Buttigieg also quick on his feet. He has a knack for making an impression, even though his poll numbers aren't super high. So he'll be someone to watch. And then, of course, for the others, it's really about standing out. Many voters couldn't pick the rest of the field out of a lineup.
All right, let's take one, for example, Beto O'Rourke. He came in with a lot of buzz. Is it like a make or break night for him and maybe a couple others?
Yeah, and for multiple reasons, I think, Mike. First of all, just because, time is getting late. You need to stand out. But second of all, there's a very real threat to these low-polling candidates. The next set of debates in September will have different rules. It will be harder to qualify. For some of these low-ranking candidates, this is really their last chance to reach a broad audience and make the kind of impression that will give them the support that'll let them stay in the hunt through the fall and out into New Hampshire and Iowa.
And then in the end, we have some that are all the way to the left. Some want to be moderates. Do you see that happening tonight?
Absolutely. I think in the end, this primary is probably going to get sorted into a leading more left-wing candidate, a leading kind of moderate in the middle candidate, maybe somebody else who's a little unorthodox. And right now, even though we're so far away, is really when you're going to see it start to winnow out. All
right, Ted, thank you very much. And of course, as we said, this is just the first of 2 debates. The second one is tomorrow night. Now, Ted's going to be back tomorrow at 5:30 right here on Eyewitness News to recap tonight's preview and to have tomorrow night's preview as well. And right now, we have a profile of all the candidates. All you have to do is go to our website, WPRI.com.